solo loco. Kò solo loco. Àìsílẹ̀ olóngìní ilé di ilé èkúté yìí. Ṣebí wọ́n ní bọ́lọ́jẹ́ ọba kú oríta ò léwu koríko. Ayé ṣòro ẹni a ní kó kíni lẹ́yìn ló fẹ̀gún sọ́wọ́. Àṣeun dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó ń ṣe ni tó tún ń gbà ní. Ẹni a ní kó fẹ́ ni lójú tó bàtà sẹ́nu. Ètùmàrè gbà wá lọ́wọ́ àfojú fẹ́ ni ọ̀la. Kò sólókò lóko. Bírọ̀bá lọ́lọ́gún ọdún ọjọ́ kan ló ti tọ́ bá igi àbáfẹ̀yìntì ẹ̀gún ló fi ṣẹ̀ṣọ́. Ìmùtẹ́rí ẹni kà kò jálè gbóòórùn àṣebí o. Bí kò ilé ò bá pa ní tòde o lè wọlé tán mi o. Ìmùtẹ́rí ẹni kà kò jálè gbóòórùn àṣebí o. Ìmùtẹ́rí ẹni kà kò jálè gbóòórùn àṣebí o. Kò sólókò lóko.
Yẹni.
Kí ni Halima wá ṣe ń bí? For the last time, kí ni Halima wá ṣe ń bí?
Kí ló rò pé ó jẹ gan-an? Yes. What do you think you are? Oh, ó rò pé ó lè wọ inú ilé mi wá pointing gun lórí ọmọ mi and beating drums of war and threat.
Don't push me.
Please, leave him alone. He's a little boy.
Ó yẹ kí o ti mọ irú èèyàn tí mo jẹ́. Mi ò kì í fẹ́ kí ẹ máa challenge me. No. So listen to me now. Gbogbo nǹkan tí bá ti sọ fún ni kò gbọ́. Stay away from my wife. Stay away from my family. And stay away from my kingship. Nítorí tí n bá padà. Ajeti, I repeat. Tí n bá padà. Jẹ́ fi nǹkan dá lójú. Máa pa gbogbo àwọn tó wà important here. Starting from this pig right in front of me. Down to that trash in the hospital. Then finally, I will come back for you. Máa sọ ẹ́ mọ́ mọ́tò mi. Máa dẹ̀ wọ ẹ́ lójú títì. Until tí ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ máa fi bọ́ lára ẹ̀. Ṣé o gbọ́dọ̀ tí mo sọ? Ṣé o gbọ́dọ̀ tí mo ń sọ?
Yes, Benny.
Nonsense.
I hear you.
Look at that. Yellow pillow mommy. Useless.
Listen,
yeah.
I mean, why are you hovering over my head like the old spoons?
But obvious we need support.
Sherry, you can't just put on a cape and come charging towards me anytime Tobama will need help. I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because from the very last time, nǹkan ò jọra wọn.
I am fine with me.
Okay. If you say so. But àwòrán ẹ nínú mirror gan máa sọ fún ẹ pé òun parọ́ ni kò gbà ẹ́ gbọ́.
What's me? Mi lè má ṣe báyìí lọ. I am with Junior.
Listen. Mi ò try láti ya ìwọ àti Junior. I am not trying to separate you guys. I am only trying to make you come to the realization that you need support.
You're buying me over, Rotimi, and you know it. I am with Junior.
No.
What?
Because it is obvious that you don't love him. You only love the idea of him.
Kí ló ń try láti sọ?
Jẹ́ ká jọ wò báyìí. Kí ni nǹkan tó ti ṣe fún ẹ? For somebody that does not even have your time? Somebody that cannot look at you the way you want to be looked at?
Please stop.
Come on, Lolade. Let's face reality. You deserve better.
Did you just say better?
Yes.
What is better? Who is better? My dear, there is nothing as better out there. We all just settle for what we find.
Then let's settle for this. Let us just settle for this. See, I've had it up to here and I'm serious about it this time. Babe. Please, will you marry me? Please, I'm serious about it. Leave. Let's do this. There's nothing to worry about.
Kí la ṣe sí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn? Wọ́n lè jọba pàkúrọ̀.
Mo sọ fúnra mi pé mo wà okay. Mo ti rọ́ ni mo ń pa fúnra mi. Mi ò wà okay rárá. Junior, I miss us. I miss you being in my circle. We have drifted away from what we used to be, Junior. I am a woman. And I want to be loved, Junior. I want us to be at ease.
Sure, Lolade. Work on your business. I'm in your business. I'm sorry. Sorrier than you can ever imagine. We were carried away with my pursuit of being a son. But then means big picture to what you mean. You know, I wish I could help myself.
Let
but
me
I can't.
help you, Junior.
No.
Let me help you.
No. You know, you can't keep going the entire 100 for me. When she go over, reach out for me. Let me try. Checking beyond you. Imagine I walk in here. I saw a man kneeling down, proposing to you. You know the beaming. My mad. You do you? She told me you know. You rara. I mean, how much stop is that?
Borokini.
Mo ní kó wáyà owó sí account mi láti jẹta. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ẹ má bínú sá. Àmọ́ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni wípé.
Obi ò fẹ́ gbọ́ sórí lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Tó mo mọ̀ pé tó bá ti di ọ̀rọ̀ owó, memory máa ní fault. Mo ní kó forward owó sí account mi forward. Mi ò ní pé mo fẹ́ rí ẹ̀. I don't want to see your face.
Mo mọ̀ sá.
I never said that.
Mo mọ̀ sá. Àmọ́ mo need láti rí yín ni sá. Miss Stella is threatening to sue.
Why? For?
Breach of contract.
What basis? Ṣé ní àti ìlàjọ ń ṣe business ni?
Company wa ló ń bá ṣe business sá.
Máa dájú ń bẹ̀. Kéè ló ń bá ṣe business. Tí business yẹn ò bá dẹ̀ pull through. Tí kéè fi kú. Wọ́n ló ṣe wá ṣe kọ́ mi. Ìwọ ni tèmi bẹ́ẹ̀.
With all due respect sir, bí wọ́n ṣe ń run company kan lélẹ́yìí.
Oh wow! Ó fẹ́ kọ́ mi ní bí wọ́n ṣe ń run business.
I wouldn't dare sir. Kọ́ tí mò ń ṣàlàyé sọ ni wípé a máa lose companies. Sir, wọ́n máa force wa láti settle àwọn tá a jẹ ní gbèsè. And by doing that, àwọn shareholders wa lè fẹ́ back out. A máa need láti settle wọn. And some staff too. Kọ́ tí mò ń try láti sọ ni wípé tí wọ́n bá fi lè gbìyànjú àti gbé wa lọ sí court, wọ́n máa fẹ́ investigate wa ni. Gbogbo nǹkan tá a dẹ̀ ń try láti hide ni wọ́n máa rí.
Hide.
Yes sir. To be made open that we are bankrupt.
Hey, what's good?
Rotimi. Ṣó mọ ìdí tí Ọlọ́run fi fún Adam ní Eve? Ṣó jẹ́ kò kí n ṣe help me nìkan ní reason. But Ọlọ́run mọ̀ pé bí ó ṣe mójútó Garden of Eden tó mójútó tí ó bá fún ní nǹkan tí ó máa mú orí ẹ̀ balẹ̀, ó lè ya wèrè or kó ṣìṣe. But Ọlọ́run being who is, ó fún ní Eve kó fi calm down, kára ẹ̀ fi balẹ̀. Ṣé wàá rí Adam yẹn ló ń jókòó ní ìwà ẹ̀? Lọ́lá dídẹ̀ ní Eve di tèmi. And don't even think we are wà from nowhere. Wà gbà lọ́wọ́ mi.
Junior, ó jẹ́ kó máa ṣe àwọn comedy skits yẹn. You will be so good at it, being a comedian. Kí nǹkan tó pè mí fún nìyẹn? Really? Okay, ó pè mí síbi láti wá issue àwọn empty threats tó ń sọ jáde lẹ́nu yìí. Okay, bóyá science ó jẹ́ kí n lọ kákó síbi kan ni pé bọ̀bọ́ yìí máa nà mí, mo máa feel bọ̀bọ́ yìí gan, really? Come on, be a man. Challenge your guts and go ahead and propose to her. Okay, I have a good idea. Here, you can propose to her with the same ring. So have it. Junior, well, you're silly. I swear. You're just like a jammed gun. You don't even have anything to offer. Who need to offer? Propose to her with this ring. Challenge your God. I'll see you some other time.
Jammed gun. This guy's sick. Dàpọ̀.
Hello, Junior, báwo ni? Ó yẹ ká rọra o.
Ṣé kò sí?
Wo, màá pè ẹ́ tí n bá ti ní time.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Hello?
I was just about to leave, waving the white flag, my tail between my legs. And I remembered that I'm actually in charge here. Okay, expect we can call them Alobe.
Excuse me. Ta ló sọ fún ẹ pé ìwọ ni kó máa lọ?
Oh, tí ẹ lè sọ. Oh, need láti sọ nítorí mi kì í ṣọmọdé.
Kí ló fẹ́ kí n ṣe báyìí?
I know you're not in the best situation at this time. Torí ẹni mo ṣe fẹ́ fún ẹ ní time láti pull yourself together, gather yourself together. Kò dẹ̀ ráyè láti sọ òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ fún Junior.
It will shatter him, Rotimi.
So you expect me to leave? Come on. You know, at this stage, I am allowed to be selfish here. Ṣorí tí yóò bá sọ̀rọ̀, mo máa force ẹ láti sọ̀rọ̀.
Kí ló fẹ́ kí n sọ?
Because ó tọ́ ọbẹ̀ ni pé ó mọ̀ pé kò sí nǹkan tí ó bá ṣẹlẹ̀, I will always be here for you.
Borokini.
Sherry, mo rò nǹkan. Ó lè má dájú, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ á gbìyànjú ẹ̀. Ají. Ẹ ṣe jẹ́ ká ti ọwọ́ òfin bọ̀.
Òfin?
Yes.
Bíbò.
Òfin. Ṣé yín ò rántí pé general ti ṣe oríṣiríṣi ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ nínú ìlú yìí látìgbà tó ti dé nínú ìlú yìí ni? Àti wípé ẹ̀tọ́ àwọn ará ìlú ó ti fi ń dùn wọ́n.
Ẹ̀tọ́.
Yes.
General. Ọ̀rọ̀ general ló sọ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀tọ́ báyìí. Eléyìí máa ń jẹ́ ń gbé lẹ́tọ̀. Lẹ́yìn kó gbé bàbá yìí gàgàgàgà báyìí tàbí kó pariwo tàbí kó rẹjú wá bí ojú màálù báyìí. Àti pé gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀sùn tó wà ń kà kalẹ̀ wọ̀nyí. Ó sì rò pé èèyàn tó ń ta lè kó lọ́wọ́ báyìí dọ́dọ̀ àwọn olófin tí wọ́n ì bá wa lé general dànù.
Kò yé yín ni àjírọ̀bà.
Kò yé ni.
Kò yé yín.
Jẹ́ ó yé ni.
Kò yé yín ni o.
Kò yé ni. Ó dà jẹ́ ó yé mi.
Àjí bàbá. Ẹ̀yin ò mọ̀ pé tá a bá kó gbogbo ẹ̀sùn general tá a bá kó lọ tọ̀ àwọn ìjọba àwọn agbófinró lókè wọ́n kò wọ inú ìlú wa ni wọ́n kò wá mú general lọ they will clear him off. Yes.
Wọ́n lè lọ.
Of course.
Èyí ó mà tọ́ da. Ọ̀dà bọ́ba wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀hún wò láàrí o.
Mo ṣe ń ronú lé lórí.
Ọ̀hún ronú.
I'll get back to you.
A máa rò ó. Elédùwò sì fún ọ sí. Ó rí rò.
Àjọ rí rò náà.
Mo tiẹ̀ jẹ́rìí ẹ̀.
Àárí ṣe.
Ṣùgbọ́n.
Ṣé kò tún sí?
Àjẹtì.
Bàbá o.
Àjẹtì.
Bàbá.
Kíní kan kọ mí lómi inú o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó sì ń rú lójú. Ṣé ǹjẹ́ òní tí mo wá sọ̀rọ̀ ìlú nínú ilé rẹ ní ìwọ kí mo bá?
Ṣé kò sí èmi náà ni?
Ìwọ náà mo bá? Tó ń lé mi yán yán bí ajá. Tó ń lé mi pé máa lọ. Dákun ṣé lẹ́nu kí ilé oṣù kí ilé ò mọ́ náà ló ti wá yíra padà báyìí ló ti wá pààrọ̀ ohun. Ṣé èèyàn rẹ ó ti wá gbé ẹ̀kú ọ̀dẹ̀kú borí ó ti wá pàùndà ó ti déégún. Ṣé gbogbo ohun tó ń sọ yìí ó sì dán lójú pé ọmọ tàmí?
Èmi náà ti dẹ̀kú gbogbo wọn láti jọ ru ẹ̀kú báyìí.
Lóòótọ́.
Kó lè ẹ̀yin ògbọ́n ni. Lánàá alánàá yìí. Tíntínní ló kù kí general fi ìbọn fọ́ orí ọmọ mi.
Ọmọ rẹ wo?
Ayẹni of course.
Kí ló kó ṣe?
Ó sì wéwé mẹ́ ó ń gbọ̀n jìnnìjìnnì látànà. Òtútù ti mú.
Tiẹ̀ bọ̀ wá.
Ọjọ́ bá wa ni.
Ó di kárí ilé.
Kárí ilé ni.
Ọjọ́ bá wa.
A bá wa.
Bọ́ bá àjọba wa kò sí pé à ń tó ń wò lójúmọ́. À ń wò lójú òsì mà ká dira wa bí òṣùṣù.
That's right. Actually, ìyànjú tí mo fẹ́ gbà wá nìyẹn. Ẹ ṣe jẹ́ ká ṣe ara wa lóṣooṣù ọwọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ lé general kúrò láàrin ìlú.
Ó tiẹ̀ ti dídá.
Ó ti fẹ́ gba ẹ̀mí tèmi.
Kò lè gbẹ̀mí ẹ.
What? I shall make a look at any money by.
Oh, wait for me, Jerry. What's this?
It's
okay.
Hello. Mommy. What is it for the budget? Yeah, mom. That's a baby. Baby.
Hello.
Ṣé wà dé lè sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí?
Aunty Debbie. Báwo lè ṣe máa mọ̀ tí nǹkan bá ń ṣe yẹn?
Ṣé o rí bójú ẹ ṣe rí ni? Àti pé ńgbà tó pè mí, you sounded very worried.
Sister Debbie, I wish I am somewhere else right now, starting afresh.
Have you made your choice?
What choice?
Gbogbo àwọn ọkùnrin méjèèjì tó ń tẹ̀lé ẹ káàkiri.
Ṣó dà kó jẹ́ pé at this age of mine, mi ò mọ̀ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ tọkàntọkàn.
Lolade, you just have to think about it. I am sure that answers will come.
The answers are not forthcoming. Juno is always busy, always angry. I wish I can pull away, but I am stuck. I am deeply in love with him.
And Rotimi?
Well, Rotimi, not Jayadi. But despite Bobo Jatamani, is always available.
At this point, mi lè sọ pé ẹnìkan dájú ẹnìkejì lọ. Ẹni tọ́kàn ẹ̀ bá mú ni. But ta lọ́kàn ẹ̀ gan mú?
I am blank. Ọkàn mi ò mú anybody. Say a word. Just mention a name.
Lolade, I'm sorry, but this time it has to be you. Jurono. Ta ló lóyún?
Wow. I see you got the party started without me.
Dakwo. This is not a party actually. It is a party to celebrate my foolishness. Foolish Junior.
Èwo ló tún ṣe ẹ́ o.
It's a long story.
Do me a favor. Joe, save me any gbogbo stress. Just give me a summary.
Summary. I think I'm in love with Lolade. Yes.
So, you are in love with Lolade. Lo ṣe wá jókòó síbi tó mọtí.
It just had to take me this long. What was I doing? Am I mad?
You were saving lives, making a difference. Má kàn jókòó síbi kó máa sọ̀rọ̀ bí wípé eré ló ṣe látọjọ́.
Saving life, making a difference, at the cost of my friends.
Well, èmi kọ́ ni right person láti máa bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ relationship because èmi ò ráyè òṣì bí mo ṣe wáyé. Mi ò kí n date obìnrin for more than 3 months. Ìgbà míì gan half a month. So, ìgbà wo ló máa propose sí Lọ́ládé? Amy, today is your lucky day.
Hello.
Hello?
She kò sí problem.
Hey, I'm okay. I won't say you now. Just come.
Okay.
Okay.
Lọ́ládé. Ṣé Lọ́ládé ló fẹ́ propose ni?
Oh, come on. All this map, that's overreaching.
Not going alright.
Think it is time to go. Don't worry about me. I'll be fine.
Pẹ̀lú bó ṣe ń stagger yìí, wà á dẹ̀ wá mọ́tò báyìí àbí?
Mo máa gùn tiẹ̀.
Mi ò ní jókòó síbi kí n máa wò. Tí wàá fi ba iye ara ẹ jẹ́, má fi tẹ̀ kó bá mi. Kí n tó fẹ́ fi wa mọ́tò gan-an, o ò dì mú. Nonsense.
Lolade, are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm sorry, Junior.
You're sorry. Fukini.
For you?
Kí ló ṣe? Sọ̀rọ̀ now.
What's me lóyún?
I'm sorry. Kò yé mi.
Ìgbà tí mo find out ni mo wá báyìí. Sorry.
Have I been that terrible to you? Have I? What?
Stop.
Don't! Tell me to stop. Don't. You caged me with the pregnancy. Ibo ló bá wà? University? You don't cry, Junior. Am I a fool to you? Please stop. You lied to me.
I had to lie, Junior. I wanted you to make a move. You know, work.
can make this work. Okay? We can make this work. Please don't say me. I'm sorry. Please. Please.
I have decided.
Borokini.
My close company wa.
For my close company.
Yes.
Kí ni yẹn mean?
Ó mean pé a lè trade more.
Hell, a trade more. Oh, why will you strive so hard to take over a company when you know you will ruin it?